Thokozani, this is Nkosazana Robin, also known as Mkulu Daplamanzi. Thokozani Bokoko, Thokozani Bomkulu, Thokozani everyone. So I'm back again with another video to help you guys. Abo unsita. So those of you that imali, koko, hey, koko, imali, mala ihlali, imali angitholi, imali nje imali minenayo asatan. Okay, so what you need to do is that boko kuna bomkhulu kungitholela lamafutha lawo. Letinto leti ngingatithatha ukuthi ti simple or they are very cheap. Do these things actually work? Nani ngiyabona nje nangekhemisi nje lamafutha agcwele nje kuyasebenza nje letinto leti and what not, yabo. So okay, thingenjeni isecret lengayadi lamafutha lawa ayasebenza bogogo nabomkhulu, ayasebenza nje ngendlela lesimanga, but akudinga ukuthini uqale ucleanse kuqala before you use them so that they can work, you understand, so that they can actually work. Because the thing that angeke tisebenze tikuthole wena ungcolile, tisebenza njani ungcolile first of all. So cleanse yourself first. There are a lot of things that you can use to cleanse yourself, a lot, and very cheap as well. So ungasebenzisa there's matubula, there's jace fluid, there's holy ash, there's rough salt, there's sea salt, different kinds of names, yema salt, there's togoloshi salt, there's water salt. There are many salts out there that you can use to cleanse yourself. And there's also the river. You don't pay anything, but you need to be careful. You need to know the aglalelo mandini, yabo. There's also the river. If you are ukugeza laphana, fika ucele ukhela mandi hambe ugeza ngawendlini, or ukhela mandi then umeceleni emhlabathini or edwaleni a bit far from the water if you are sabangeni, and then you geza yourself, you understand, you geza yourself, you cleanse yourself ngalawo mandi. Logo, it does not need any money, but I would prefer ukuthi ungahambi wedwana. Nakhona nawufike lapha na fika ucele, kuyacelwa, uyakhanyisa, you understand, ungahambi lapha kade ukuthi uyavuka ebusuku wena tigatakho. I would not advise ukuthi uye lapha. Or ungawathenga, kunemandi la wathengako futhi aselwandle, can use that water to cleanse yourself as well. But remember ukuthi tonke letinto leti uyathandazela kuqala, sebenzisa ikhandlela elimhlophe, you cleanse yourself. And then last but not least, thola lamafutha lawa, you pray for this first, uyawaphahlela, wacela ukuthi abe nemandla empilweni yakho, and then uyawagcobisa or uwamixa nani ne lotion yakho, ungawamixa nani ne your what you call your angati, if not lotion, it might be your whatever that you use man gobisa your body nakutsa kugeza, uyawamixa or ungawasebenzisa just as they are, njengoba nje, can use them njengoba anje. They smell nice, they smell nice. If you lotion yakho ayinukileli, guys, I prefer ukuthi umixe ne lotion yakho because anukelela kamnanzi. Uyawagcobisa every day before you go out. If une business, you sell to people, you go out selling to people, uyawasebenzisa because attracta imali, ayasebenza makhosi, ayasebenza bogogo nabomkhulu. But remember, you pray, have faith, kude lokuhlula uNkulunkulu. So uNkulunkulu usiphe some sort of easy way like sort of easy ngathini ma option, usinike ama option lamaningi ukuthi sikhona ukuthi sisitakale, you understand. So go get some and then use them of course, get that money Makhosi, thokozani.